would love to start my words with the big thanking words for every single one of you, and especially pastors, for not having the fear not to come to the Holy Land, because this is really when we see our brothers and sisters in Christ visiting us in this part of the world. This really brings us a big joy to many of those broken Christian hearts, and it gives us just a big hope to remain in the Holy Land. Unfortunately, numbers of Christians every day is going less and less. Here today, you are visiting one of the largest olive wood factory in the Holy Land, and that whatever we saw outside, those are part of our outdoor branches, which we must display under the sunlight between 3 to 4 years just to be dry wood, because nature of wood, it has oil as of nature and it has water because of rain. So we have the outdoor, but still we have the indoor. We cut the branches just right after the harvest of the olives, and this is normally between October and November of every single year. We're all talking about treated wood. We buy them by tons, sometimes down south of the Holy Land or up north. A is only and fully hand carving. B is half machine, half hand, but still we have the C, which is only machine carvings, nothing to do with the hand carvings. Now, there is a difference between the color of these two figures. This is the natural color of the wood itself, the tree itself. We cover our wood with lacquer for two reasons. First, to protect wood. Second, to give it a nice look. Please remember those who need.
And now you will hear the Lord's Prayer in the Aramaic language.
بشمو أبو وبرو والروحو حيو قديشو أبونت بشمايو نتقدا ششموخ كيث ملكوثقنا وصبيونوخ كانت بشمايو برو هبلان لحمد سنقولان يومون وشبكلان حوبا وحطوهين كانت توفحنان اشباق الحيو بين لو تعلن اللسيونو إيلو فاصولان ومن بيشو ميطول ديلوخي ملكوثو وحيلو تشبحتو والعالم علمان آمين.